ये स्वप्न काले भवंती अपितु स्वप्न से संति ये निंद्रा न ददंती। अर्थात सपने वो नहीं होते जो हम सोते वक्त देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते। With these true and wonderful lines, a very auspicious and charmed good morning to one and all present over here, Honorable Chairman Sir, admirable Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking and dedicated staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. This is me, Priya Negi, standing before you all to command today's morning assembly. So classes 10 it is, attention, 10 it is, attention. As Gayatri Mantra is the mother of all Vedas, so now I would like to invite Music Sir to sing the Gayatri Mantra. Attention, sanities, attention. So for the beautiful spiritual start, it's time to shift your gears into pure energy and devotion. So now I would like to invite my classmate to sing the prayer. invite my classmate Naitik Rawat for pledge.
There is no life without a tree, there is no success without any hard work. With this wonderful quote, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking staff of Ryan Academy and my dear friends. This is me Naitik on behalf of 9th standard, standing in front of you to say the please. Classes, get ready for please. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. Loyal and worthy citizen of it. I also respect to my parents, teachers and elders. I also kindness to animal, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. May God give a countryman peace and prosperity. जय हिंद. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Thank you very much.
Please, attention. Sanities, attention. Classes, sit in your respective seats. Thought in morning can change your entire day. So now I would like to invite my classmate Kanchana Khetwal for thought. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and smarter than you know. With this wonderful quotation, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking and dedicated teachers of Uttarayan Academy, and all my dear friends. Today I am standing here in front of you to deliver my thought. So my thought is like that. Education is not a fact of learning, but the training of mind to think. I repeat my thought once again. Education is not a fact of learning, but the training of mind to think. It means that education develops critical thinking rather than just memorization. Its Hindi translation is शिक्षा तथ्यों को सीखना ही नहीं बल्कि दिमाग को सोचने के लिए प्रशिक्षित करना है. Thank you. Have a auspicious day. And for a big dose of cuteness by the poem recitation of small kids. So now I would like to invite Ananya for poem.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal, Ma'am, all the hardworking teacher and my dear friend. First of all, Chandra, good morning all of you. My name is Ananya Khetwal. I am class 2nd standard. Today my Hindi poem is ऐसी बातें कभी न भूल. बापू कहते देखो भाई करते कभी नहीं लड़ाई प्रेम प्रेम प्यार से ऐसे रहते जैसे फूल और फूल. ऐसी बातें कभी न भूल. गीता का संदेश जैसा करता वैसा बढ़ता सच्ची अहिंसा में ही देखो छिपा हुआ सब मूल. ऐसी बातें कभी न भूल. कर्म करे जो इश्क ढाकर सच्चाई की प्रीत लगाकर वैर भाव और चिंतित का पद छोड़ प्यार का झूला झूल. ऐसी बातें कभी न भूल. My English poem is boats sail on the river and ships sail on the sea, but clouded across the sky are prettier than those. There are bridges on the river as you place, but the boat that bridge is heaven, and over top the tree and build the road earth to sky are prettier far than those. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Person said that staying updated means staying ahead. So now with these lines, I would like to invite my classmate Rajesh to read the news.
आज सभी के सामने हिंदुस्तान समाचार पत्र के कुछ मुख्य समाचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ, जो इस प्रकार है. वैज्ञानिकों के लिए नौकरी छोड़ने के नियम सख्त. नई दिल्ली विशेष संवाददाता अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्र को निजी क्षेत्र के लिए खोलने के बाद पिछले 3 सालों में देश में तेजी से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्टार्टअप बढ़े हैं. लेकिन इससे नुकसान यह हुआ कि भारतीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अनुसंधान संगठन इसरो ने अनुभवी वैज्ञानिकों ने भी निजी क्षेत्र कार्य किया है. बड़े पैमाने पर वैज्ञानिकों के इसरो छोड़ने के बाद चिंतित सरकार ने स्वैच्छिक सेवानिवृत्त और नौकरी छोड़ने के नियम को सख्त कर दिया है. सूत्रों के अनुसार पिछले कुछ महीनों में इसरो की विभिन्न प्रयोगशालाओं से 100 से भी अधिक वैज्ञानिकों ने नौकरी छोड़ने के आवेदनों के बाद यह कदम उठाया गया है.
अंतरिक्ष विभाग के इसरो की सभी संस्थानों को निर्देश जारी कर रहा है कि ये वैज्ञानिकों की स्वैच्छिक से सेवानिवृत्त या इस्तीफे को मंजूर नहीं की करें तथा उसे अंतिम निर्णय के बाद अंतरिक्ष विभाग के मुख्यालय को भेजें। अंतरिक्ष विभाग के संयुक्त सचिव SR राजशेखर द्वारा हस्ताक्षरित 14 जुलाई 2026 को जारी एक ज्ञापन में कहा गया है कि हाल ही में यह देखा गया है कि इसरो के ग्रुप ए के वैज्ञानिक और तकनीकी कर्मियों जिनके प्रतिष्ठित गगनयान और अन्य महत्वपूर्ण मिशनों से जुड़े लोग शामिल हैं की ओर से स्वैच्छिक सेवानिवृत्त और इस्तीफे के अनुरोध की बाढ़ आ गई है, जिससे राष्ट्रीय महत्व की परियोजनाओं के कार्यान्वयन पर गंभीर प्रभाव पड़ रहा है। इसी के साथ मैं अपने वाणी को विराम देना चाहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
To change mind and inspire hearts. So now I would like to invite my classmate Mayank Hitwal for article.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers of Trent Academy, and my dear friends. This is New Mayank Hitwal, behalf of Class 9, standing here to represent the article on the topic of self-confidence. Self-confidence means to believe in yourself. It is important for success in your life. Confident people do new things without fear. Believing in yourself will help to achieve your goals. Face challenges. We must be positive about our abilities. Preparing well will increase our self-confidence. Let us believe in yourself and grow our self-confidence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, so now I would like to invite my classmate Kamal Danu to ask you some GK questions.
Respected Principal Ma'am, all the admin staff of Trent Academy and dear friends. First of all, very charming good morning to all. I am Kamal, of class 9. Today, I am standing here to ask some GK question on the topic of science and technology. My first question is, which scientific theory explains the origin of the universe? In the origin of universe.
The Big Bang Theory.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is the Big Bang Theory. Which type of galaxy is our Milky Way? I repeat my question once again. Which type of galaxy is our Milky Way? Repeat your answer. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is spiral galaxy. Who invented the gravity? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Newton. What is the visible surface of the sun? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is that evolution of massive star before it undergo to a supernova. Read my question once again. What is the final evolution of massive star before it go under a supernova? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is supergiant. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is mercury. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For everyone, so classes, show your hankies and knees.
some students have given for iPads. इसको सही किया